Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Fotopro uFO2 tripod. You can search the Fotopro uFO2 tripod in Amazon. I bought this for $20.99 US. I am currently using a small GORILLAPOD. It is also flexible, but it is quite old now, so I need a replacement. Luckily I saw someone who posted the Fotopro uFO2. GoPro adapter with the thumb screw. Mobile phone holder adapter. It comes with the BT4 Bluetooth remote control. It can be paired easily with the Bluetooth of the mobile phone. It is used as a shutter for the camera. Be sure that the mobile phone is on the camera mode, photo or video mode. The flexible tripod. The angle of the ball head can be adjusted by rotating the locking knob, allowing the camera and/or smartphone to adjust to the proper angle. The 1/4 camera screw can be connected directly with mirrorless digital camera and 360 panorama camera. Mobile phone and GoPro camera can be used with the included phone holder and GoPro adapter. Flexible foots can be curved randomly, which have advantages when using on slope and circular tube. Fotopro. Unleash your creativity. Flexible legs can securely wrap around virtually any surface. Turn on the BT4 Bluetooth remote before pairing with the mobile phone. You can use the tripod as a selfie stick. GoPro adapter with the thumb screw. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe now. Also click the bell to receive notifications when I post new videos. Flexible legs can be adjusted to ensure tight grip on sloped or slick surfaces. The tripod is also waterproof, but not the Bluetooth remote control. Follow my Facebook page, Danskio TV. The length of the tripod is 28.5 centimeters. It weighs only 227 grams. The maximum load it can handle is 800 grams. Flexible foots can be curved randomly, which have advantages when using on slope and circular tube. I love the tripod uFO2 flexible tripod. This is a best buy. I give it 5 out of 5 star rating. Thanks for watching.